Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Cindy. I just have a small Big Lots haul. So basically, I've been going to this Big Lots for like 3 times, and I'd never seen scrapbooking stuff there, and maybe because I didn't know where to go. So here I go. My husband and I go and walk into this Big Lots, and I went with him just because we were gonna buy Freon for his car, so he can put air conditioner in there. So he's fixing it for his truck because his truck doesn't have air conditioning. So he's fixing it all up, and we hope that it works out and that he can have AC. So basically, I just went for that. But as soon as I walked in, I turned to my left and I saw all this scrapbooking stuff. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna stay here. So first I found some little gems. I'm sorry, not gems, little charms. These were 79 cents, very cute, with a tree, bells, cross, and a little wing, and a little angel here for 79 cents, and I thought that was a good deal. Then I found some little beads, glass pearls, and they were 79 cents too. They had like 5 more. I was about to take all of them, but I'm like, no, I'm not sure if I'm even gonna be in a stick pin swap. So I just took some, and then we'll see. For 79 cents too. And then I found these little centerpieces. I'm sorry, they're not centerpieces. For 79 cents, and they come 6 in a pack, so I thought that was really good. So I figure I can just take these little rings out and use them as flower centers. So I was very happy to find that. And then I also found this little flower looking thing. And I figured for my centerpieces for the flowers, 3 for 79 cents. I thought it was a good deal. I'm like, yay, finally Big Lots has scrapbooking stuff. But I didn't know they had it, so I'm sure they've been having those, but scrapbooking stuff, but I just didn't know where to go. So I got this little cart. These little heart thingies with little jump rings for 79 cents. This is from Blue Moon Beads. I've never heard of them, but it has 14 pieces. But yeah. And then I found these plastic pearls for $1. I'm like, cool, so cool. I can definitely use these. I go through this a lot, and there was only one of them, so I only took this one. There was only one left. And usually at Walmart they're like over $2 or $2.97, I think, something like that, or $1.97. But I think for $1 it was a good deal. And then for $1.50, this was the one I spent more, was the Wonder Wedges. I'm going to use this for my Distress inks because, as you can see, this one is like black, turning black. So I know it's dirty, I shouldn't have shown you. But basically, for those of you who doesn't know, I mean, you can use this for the edges of your paper, and then, I mean, it will look, I don't know if you get the exact results as you get with the Tim Holtz sponges that he sells separately. But I mean, I like this. It works for me, so that's why I went out to get some more. But I like it. And well, there's the haul for today from Big Lots. Not much actually. I was on a little budget, so it was good. I think I spent $8, and this is $7, and the $1 bought some hand soap, lemon flavor for the bathroom because I ran out. So that's it. So go to your Big Lots and see if they have any of these cute little charms, or maybe you guys have seen them and already bought them, but I'm just so behind. I just didn't know my Big Lots had scrapbooking stuff. So well, there's my home. Thank you. Bye bye.